Hello student, as you remember, we have completed our most of the topic of this particular chapter, understanding secularism. We are on the last topic that we are going to discuss here. Now, what is the last topic that we are having? Have to discuss, that is difference between Indian secularism and secularism of other countries. Means what is the difference between of Indian secularism and other countries secularism? What particular practices we are performing? So first of all, here are one definition for that. Some secular objectives are globally accepted, yet there are difference in their practices. Means हमारे पास में ऐसे बहुत सारे objective हैं. We are having so many objective. We are having so many examples that shows that कि we are having so many differences in our practices while practicing a secularism according to the countries. Now here I am showing you the difference of that particular thing. What is the basic difference between the secularism in USA and the Indian secularism? Okay, the first is secularism in USA, that is marked here for you. Here I am studying this. Okay, and the second is this particular. Okay, first of all we will discuss this particular one, and then after that we will discuss this particular one. Okay, now the first amendment of US Constitution. When was the first amendment? Amendment means Sanshodhan, means changes. When the changes will be occurred in the US Constitution. Make the strict separation between state and religion, means there is a strict separation between state and religion, means neither then I will read the third one firstly, and then I will let you know what is this exactly. Means that neither the state nor the religion can interfere in the affairs of one another. Means make the strict separation, means here is the strict separation between state and religion. There is no interference in this. And now the next line that is here, that shows, means that neither the state nor the religion can interfere in the affairs of one another. Means nor any state or nor any religion can interfere in the religious belief or anything, whatever the things is going on. No one going to be interfere, not state or either nor even religion. Okay, now the next is in February 2004, France passed a law banning students from wearing any conspicuous religious or political signs or symbols. Okay, this means कि there is no rights to wear in France. There is no rights to wear any religious symbols. Religious symbols like Christian can wear the cross. Okay, Mohammedan can wear the caps. Hinduism can make a tilak on the head. Okay, these kind of things will not be wear or used by any of the individual, those who are living in the France country. This particular thing is banned over there. There is no rights to wear all these kinds of things. Okay, this particular situation is there in the Constitution of US. Now, what is the Constitution? Why the Constitution is different from Indian secularism? So, Indian secularism Constitution meaning is that there is no strict separation between religion and the state as it is in USA. Means here you can see, here it is written strict separation, and here it is written no strict separation is there. Okay, there is no strict separation is there between the religion and the state affairs. Now the next, state can intervene in the religious affairs, example banning, untouchability, sati system and triple talaq. Hope you have remembered that in the beginning of the chapter that we have studied that the government have banned the sati system. What is the sati system? When was the husband of a woman died with that body, with the pyre of her husband, the woman will be died alive. Okay, means this kind of practices is banned in India. And how they banned these practices? In the ideal grounds, based on ideal grounds, because every citizen having rights to live their life without the interference of any other person. Okay, now what is triple talaq? What is triple talaq? Means 3 times can people will not give talaq to a woman and not remarried, not do remarriages. Okay, this kind of situation will be occurred, and the government of India can interfere in these kind of, can intervene in these things, and this particular interference is always based on ideal grounds, means the ground will be fixed, and no one can refuse this thing. Now the next thing is that the last is, at the same time, the strategy of non-interference is also followed, not like France. And even if they are following, see the France practices and see the Indian secularism practices. Okay. Now here it is, in France there is no rights to wear the symbols related to religion, and in India there is no rule or system to not to wear any religious symbols or their symbols and signs, because every individual can do the tilak on his head and even put the chandan when they go to temple, and even the people wear the cross. Those who are belongs to Christian community, the people those who are belongs to Mohammedan community can wear the scarf, turban, and then even Sikh also wear their religious things according to their choices. So this particular practices we even not followed, and our constitution is quite simple and easy to follow all the things apart from the other countries' constitution. Thank you.